So we're going to practice using the different document views, and we're going to practice hiding and displaying the white space that is around our document. So we're going to use the View tab for this, and you'll notice that those same three buttons that we looked at in the very first video, the same three view buttons that are down here on your status bar, are also on your view ribbon. And they would like us to look at draft view. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on. And you can see how that looks different. So instead of seeing the full page, we're pretty much just focusing on our text. And for those of you that like to have the text displayed larger, this is a great view if you want to increase your zoom. Now they would like us to take a look at web layout. And basically this formats it like a web page. And now they want us to take a look at read mode. And in read mode, there are different ways that you can display the background and the foreground color. So if you go into view, you'll notice that you can go back to normal. You can have the little sepia view. Or inverse, which is what I have mine set up as. Okay, now when you're in this view, probably the easiest way to get out of it, to me, is just to go back to print layout. Okay, you can also return to print layout. We'll go back in there a minute. If you press the escape key, that will also get you back to print layout. Now, if you don't like this gap that you see between your pages, if you move your mouse in the gap, you'll see that it's got like arrows pointing towards each other. Double click, and it hides the white space. Personally, I like the white space, so I'm going to double click and display it. But this gets into personal preference again. You know, do you want it to display or don't you? And our next video is going to take a look at the zoom.